2007 Four Winds 278 Vista. Come with me as we take a look around this boat. Currently on the market with Blue Lagoon Marine on the hard here in Sandbanks at our sales office. Coming through, we've got a really nice sized seating area at the back. Table slides in and out. Upholstery also lifts up and down, creating a really nice versatile space, great for fishing, water sports, or whatever activities you've got planned on the water. We have got cup holders left and right. We've got really nice overhead LED lighting. Top of this fixed archway, we've got overhead lighting, we've got cameras and our radar as well. And a really nice sized wet bar style on the port side. Great place to put a nice cool box. Really nice sized helm position here, single seating with folding bolsters and a really nice place to look out from. This helm position is fitted with all the key gadgets you need for a nice trip away. Stereo controls, windlass controls, bow thruster controls, all the gauges you'd ever need. Raymarine GPS/chart plotter does wonders. Really nice Icon VHF. Coming down, we've got a really nice sized galley area, saloon area for the size of this boat, 28-foot boat, and you've got everything you'd ever need for a nice weekend away. Really nice sized, versatile galley area. Have also added some extra sockets, so you've got 12-volt sockets, USB sockets all fitted there as well. Great size fridge, and you've even got tuck-away bin. Really nice sized bow seating. Sides pull off, create a nice sized bow berth. You've got storage on the top there and a nice mirror at the end as well. Upholstery on this boat is in great condition for its age. No rips, no tears. The boat does come with a free hat, toilet. The heads on this boat is a great size, self-draining floor, shower sink, manual flush toilet, storage and a sink and mirror. We've got a really nice sized midships berth on this boat. Storage lockers there and there, which are rather deep and can also act as wet lockers. You've got a fair amount of height on here, considering it's a midships berth for a 28-foot boat. It is actually very practical. It also doubles as a really great storage area, perfect for all those extra covers and tables. The main advantage about this Four Winds currently on the market is the fact that it's got such low engine hours, just under 190 hours. All maintained very recently, full engine, full drive service, anti-foul. This Four Winds is a great option for young families in mind. Easy, safe steps up to the bow, flips open onto the bow, easy for access for mooring up, and for those great sun pad cushions at the front for a bit of sunbathing. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions about this particular boat in general, please contact a member of our sales team today.